There are many products available to choose snorkel sets, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best snorkel sets from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Cressi Palau. Cressi includes their Onda mask in this set, and we can understand why. Although it's been around for decades, the materials used are still some of the highest quality out there. All the parts of the Cressi Palau snorkel set provide great comfort, but also a toughness that will last you for years. The Palau set includes the Palau long adjustable fins, the Onda mask, and the Supernova dry snorkel. The Palau set is ideal for active water sports enthusiasts. The Palau fins are perfect for recreational snorkeling and can fit a wide range of foot sizes due to the adjustable open heel. The Onda mask features tempered glass for safety and a silicone skirt for great comfort and fit. Number 2. Blue Reef Snorkel Set. The Blue Reef Snorkel Set is a reliable kit for any snorkeler. The entire set only costs $49.99 and has a lot to offer. This is a very reasonable price for a high-quality mask, snorkel, and pair of fins. First of all, the quality of the snorkel is comparable to other snorkels on the market at significantly higher price points. It features a functional, dry ball chamber and fits comfortably in the diver's mouth. A standout feature on this snorkel is the mask clip. The clasp unfolds with a simple pull, and the design is flat, so the snorkel will stay comfortable against the diver's face. Additionally, the fins are innovative and one of a kind. The heels are neither open nor closed, but rather a combination of both, allowing the diver to find the perfect fit. They are short and practical, especially for divers in small spaces such as caves or diving over sensitive bottom compositions. The mask has a wide field of view and features tempered glass. Number 3. Phantom Aquatics Velocity. This is another great option if you are new to snorkeling. The mask has a wide split strap designed to keep it snugly in place. Low cutouts at the base of the lenses provide good downward vision. A simple one-touch clasp connects the snorkel to the mask. The snorkel opening is oval-shaped for minimal drag. Two-windowed mask, low-volume design, wide field of vision, extremely durable and strong construction, maximum underwater vision and intake of light, crystal-clear double-feathered edge silicone, swivel push-button buckles for easy. Number 4. US Divers Cozumel. US Divers Cozumel set comes with everything you need to get you started, including a pair of fins. The well-made mask has a 3-way adjustable buckle for a great fit and seal. The full-foot fins are comfortable, durable, and fit true to size. Although semi-dry, the snorkel is easy to clear. They don't call it the Cozumel for nothing. From your local snorkeling spot to the world's most pristine reefs, show up prepared to explore and uncover new depths with this Pro Gear snorkeling kit. Whether you're a first-time diver or a seasoned professional, Aqualung products cater to any and every experience level. They are always evolving to provide the most functional and unprecedented gear in your snorkeling adventures. Number 5. TUSA Sport Adult. This great offering from TUSA is specifically designed for medium to large adult faces. The snorkel has a drain chamber, which is activated via the dump valve if any water finds its way in. Although the fins are compact, they still provide a lot of power to propel you through the water. The patented HBS offers unparalleled propulsion, efficiency, and power transfer in a multi-compound design. The HBS is composed of incredibly stiff side rails, an ultra-responsive membrane blade, giving unlimited kicking potential. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.